Hi guys, Yuli the Art Nymph back with another video, and today we're going to be drawing a background. I said I wanted to show a step-by-step process of me actually doing the videos, since these past few videos were already finished projects. So today we're going to be drawing a background of a waterfall. I've never drawn a waterfall before, just heads up. So yeah, I've never drawn a waterfall, just a heads up. Today, okay. Let's see. Try to, okay. Let me create another layer. First outline this so I can have a clear view of how I'm going to position everything. Okay, I think that's it's gonna be a waterfall, so it's gonna be like see, I want it to come down like here and go out, and then there'll be a little pond right here. Okay. Alright, that'll do. Okay. Now go back to the other one. I think it's fine. Damn. Okay. We're gonna pretty much just do this whole thing, to be honest. We're gonna go in and erase all the unneeded excess. It's not that I have chunky hands that I keep on messing up. It's honestly, my screen is very sensitive. Okay. And I'm pretty sure there's an easier way to get rid of excess stuff, but it's more hands-on for me. I like actually going in and getting rid of everything unnecessary so I can't see. But if I find an easier way, maybe I'll let you guys know. It's here, so I'm gonna try to make this a little bit less. Okay. now we're going to create a duplicate layer. Lighten this a little bit. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to do the water. Okay. Water can't be controlled, man. Alright, so now that we have that, we're going to go in with some lighter streaks, smaller brush. And even lighter. Smudge. We're going to do another layer. This is only going to, first we're going to multiply, oh, not this one, not this layer. We're going to multiply the last layer. Okay, and now for this upper layer, we're going to use a brush, right? Use almost a white-ish color. And okay, so now we're gonna do the detailing on the rocks, right? anyways, I'm pretty sure you're wondering how I do this. Just trust me. Why I did this? Just trust the process. Okay. Okay. We're gonna make this a little. Okay. Okay. Yes. This is. I was actually a little bit worried too. This is coming out. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Okay. All going according to plan. Now we got all that, guys. Now we're going to just add. No, I'm just gonna leave that there because we'll see if I don't know. Should I wait? We're going to just do a little bit. Okay. See something. I was really wondering if I should continue doing this or not, but I don't think it will be a bad investment. I don't think so. We're going to blur some of it, not all of it, because I still do want most of the detail there. Now, add right, another one. This time, we're going to do a almost lighter color. No. I'm sure you already know I just sounded out. And by the second time around that I finished testing something out, I already kind of have an idea of what effect is going to make it or what's going to happen. For the most part. Anything can be unforeseen. Back, it cut off recording, but so what I did was finish doing the highlight, and then I added the blending mode subtract to it. I copied and pasted, then I added an FX to it, which was makeup background, I believe. And then I somehow but anyways, so then after I went back to the rocks outline, I duplicated that, made the duplicated layer hard mix, and then I duplicated that layer and I put an FX on it, which was monocolor, and I changed the color to brown. So now it's like a dirt brown instead of gray. Okay, so now I just created a new layer, And this layer is for the water. Okay, so I actually kind of have lost what to do with this water. Let's see. I feel like I have a good direction. And then, okay. Because I feel like the bottom is missing something. Let's add a let's do this. Let's change it up. Let's add another brush. Let's see. I feel like I can find it up here. Let's see. Should I try watercolor? Oh, which one should I do? Let's try to see this one. My battery's on and also I am trying to finish this up a little sooner. Let's see. Okay, so we chose brush, right? Add that. Let's do something here. Okay. But we're going to see. Oh, wrong layer. Okay, so let's do that like that. Like something can be added. Okay. Let's see. Not this color. This is gonna be the this is gonna be the final finished product, right? And then because the background is a little plain, I'm going to do another one. But this is gonna be for the background of the waterfall. Okay, and now with okay, that's it. That's the waterfall, guys. Thank you for watching. I know this process was, I don't know. Okay, I hope you guys liked it. Please let me know what you think. Please let me know what you think, and tell me what you would have done different. Yeah. So thank you for watching.